Unfortunately, WhatsApp does not offer a feature to undo or recover deleted messages once they have been removed from your chat history. So, however, there are a few workarounds that might help you retrieve messages under certain conditions. If you have enabled chat backup on WhatsApp, there may be a chance to recover deleted messages by restoring an older backup. WhatsApp automatically backs up your chats either daily or weekly or monthly, depending on your settings. So to restore messages, you would need to uninstall and then reinstall WhatsApp. After verifying your phone number, you will be prompted to restore your chat history from the latest backup. Keep in mind that this method will only restore messages that were included in the backup. So any new messages received after the backup that was created will be lost. Another option is checking your device's notification history. For Android users, which still may display parts of the message even if it's deleted in the app. This, however, only works if you haven't cleared your notifications. For iPhone users, iCloud backups may also provide a way to restore older messages, but similar to WhatsApp chat backup feature, um, the restored messages will depend on when the last backup was made. So in any case, prevention is key, and regularly backing up your chats is the best way to avoid losing important messages in the future.